Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Strayer University account. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in Strayer University login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link and it will take you to the login page. On this page, you'll have to enter your username and your password. And if you're having trouble signing in, you can click on this link to get solutions for your problems. And if you don't remember your password or you want to change your password, you can click on this link. Now go ahead and enter your username. After that, enter your password. And once you have entered your correct credentials, you can click on the login button and you'll be logged into your Strayer University account. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll see you on the next one.